Romo mar aboro mar wakeini ma jogo kwan kata Association of Women Accountants of Kenya nyochopo e giko mare e boma ma Kisumu nyoro kanye girango weche mag bidhruok, luwo chike kaachiel gi lokruoge e sektano. Gavana ma Kisumu Ngire Anyang' Nyong'o mane en wendo modhial e nyasino ne opako riwruogno kuom nyayo bidhruok e tijgi kendo mako lwet jowetegi. Nokwayo mondo mi weche mag omenda e apise mopogore opogore obed maratiro kaka yor nyayo kido makare, adieri kod lokruoge kokalo kuom bende tiyo gi lony manyasani. Janon buge mag omenda mag sirikal Auditor General Nancy Gathungu korka kore to notielo dwaro mar nono omenda duto mag jopiny kod mag chama gi chuny achiel.
Impact becomes inevitable. I call upon you professionals, continue being the guardians of public trust. We must also confront the realities before us. Revenue collection remains a challenge in our counties, maybe also in the national government. Pending bills continue to weigh down our economy. Inefficiencies persist within our financial systems. The good news is that these challenges also present opportunities to innovate, opportunities to reform, and opportunities to harness technology for better financial management.
There seems to be a lack of meeting of minds. So we need to shift our thinking from the PFM system as applied in an individual entity to an aggregate ecosystem. We have challenges, of course, in implementing, but the thought behind this digitalization system is good because it enhances on transparency, accountability, and brings in effectiveness and efficiency in the system.
And we've learned today from this presentation that strengthening fiscal transparency and accountability is a governance imperative. But we also learned that it's a prerequisite for achieving inclusive and sustainable development. By embracing openness, enforcing accountability, and enhancing citizen engagement, Kenya can ensure that public resources are being managed prudently and deliver maximum benefit to the citizens.